Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign out from your Valorant account on your console. It's a very simple method. Just go to the website by using your phone or PC, play valorant.com/. Then once you have entered to the website, then simply choose the option play now. So there you will see uh, a sign in will be pop up. So if you then choose the option of sign in, the account you are using on your console, just simply sign in by using your console. And now once you have signed in, just simply go to the settings. So once you have entered to the settings, just simply scroll down, then you will see that as I don't have any PlayStation or any other console, so I am not connected with those. So I'm only connected with my Google. So if you are connected with your PlayStation or Xbox, you will see this option that connected. Just on the right side, you will see a minus option. Just click on it and press OK. So then you will be signed out from your console. So this was the video. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching the video.